test recording. You can see this light. This is infrared light. This can't be switched off by menu. You can see this difference of color. This is not normal. Now we recording. This blue light. This is infrared, must be, and it can't be switched off. Now, what else? After recording, I can convert it into video file, and then we can see not high resolution. Let's stop it and convert video.